Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to render our video with the best possible settings. So without any further delay, let's start. Let's say this is our final edited video. Now if you want to render this video with the best possible settings, then hover over the mouse on this position and then double click on this. And here you see a highlighted area. Everything is highlighted within these two yellow dots. This is the first one and this is the second one. And this is the overall highlighted area that will going to be rendered. Makes sense, right? These yellow dots are also known as loop region, but I like to call them as render regions. Now to render this overall clip, simply go to File and hit on Render As. And under Formats, here you see a bunch of different formats, but I like to use Magic AVC AAC MP4 and Windows Media Video format, which is called WMV format. For smaller file size, you may use this WVA format, but I recommend to use Magic AVC AAC MP4 format. And under this format, here you see a bunch of different templates. If you capture your video in 4K, then you may choose the first one, Internet 4K 60 fps. But my recommended format is Internet HD 180 29 fps. It is very much suitable in both social media and YouTube. One thing I have to mention that if you are using NVIDIA card in your computer, then you may select this NVIDIA Enable template to take advantage of your NVIDIA GPU. But for this time I choose this Internet HD 1080p 30 fps. To customize this one, simply hit on Customize Template and here you see the Custom Settings window. Under Format, here you see the overall summary. If you have recorded your video in 60 fps, then using this drop down menu, simply select 60 fps. Also you can change the frame size using this drop down menu. Also you can put the custom width and height. But for this time I set height and width 1920 by 1080. Alright. And here you see our audio settings. You can change sample rate, bit rate in audio as well. And under project tab, make sure that you select video rendering quality best. And that's it. This is basically the best render settings. Now if you want to save this custom template to use this template in future, then at first you have to rename this template name. This time I type my custom render settings. For YouTube. And now I just simply hit on this little icon which is called Save Template. Alright, now I hit on OK. And under this Magic AVC AAC MP4 formats, here we see our custom render settings. Now I click on this star icon to find this template easily. To find this one, simply go to Filters and check this Show Favorites Only. And here it is. Now simply select your custom render settings template. Choose your destination folder. This time I set it in desktop. And hit on Save and finally hit on Render. That's it. In this way you can easily export your final edited video with the best possible render settings. Thank you so much for watching.